Find the magnitude of the resultant of the vectors 2I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap, 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 7k cap, and 5I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Also, determine the unit vector along the resultant. Okay, so first what we'll do, we're going to name three vectors. Let be vector A, vector B, and vector C, such that A vector is going to represent 2I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. Vector B is going to be 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 7k cap. And C vector is going to be represented by 5I cap plus positive 2j cap minus 3k cap. Fine. Now what we'll do? We'll find out the resultant of these three vectors. I'll simply take the sum of the three vectors. So we have A vector added to B vector plus C vector. So this is going to be equals to, so we'll sum up all the like terms. So with 2I cap plus 3I cap, 5I cap, again added to another 5I cap gives us 10I cap. And we have positive j cap added to negative 2j cap. So that's negative j cap. Added to positive 2j caps, and it makes it plus j cap. Then we have 4k cap plus 7k cap. So that's going to be 11. Now 11 minus 3, that's going to be 8. So we have 8k, positive 8k cap. So this is the resultant of the vector A, B, and C. Now what we'll do, for the time being, let us suppose that we have another vector D, which is going to represent the resultant of A, B, and C. Now what we'll do, we'll compute the magnitude of vector D. The magnitude of vector D, so that's going to be equals to, take the square root, underneath the square root we take the sum of square. So here we'll start with the coefficient of I cap, so that's 10. We're going to square this value, add it to a coefficient of j cap, so that's 1 squared, and then add it to square of the coefficient of k cap, so that's 8 squared, and that's going to give us square root of 165. So this is going to be the magnitude of the resultant of the vectors A vector, B vector, and C vector. So the first part is done. Now we need to determine the unit vector along the resultant. In other words, we need to find out the unit vector in the direction of D vector. So we'll have to take the vector D and divide it by its own magnitude. So that's going to be equals to, we have 10 over 1 square root of 1 over square root of 165 times I cap plus 1 over square root of 165 j cap plus 8 divided by square root of 165 k cap. Now this is going to be the unit vector in the direction of the resultant of the three vectors denoted by A, B, and C.